Your breast stinks.
That was so good.
That's amazing. Welcome to Linnea's cooking show on top of the mesa.
Arizona garden, stucco in the heat. Let me take you dancing.
The sunrise looks pretty cool right now. My windows are all dirty from Akila. Good morning, everybody. This is a day in the life. Well, I have been in this area for about a week now, and I absolutely love it. Akila and I have been enjoying the sunrises and the sunsets. I've been getting a lot of work done here. But it is time for Akila and I to run into town and stock up on all of the things that we need, and then we're gonna head to a different area. So I need to clean the van, go into town. Getting that strong Wi-Fi and uploading my YouTube video is going to be task number one. All right. If only it were really that easy. Since I'm going into town and I have to do some work and be around people, I should probably freshen up a little bit. That'll work. It's so nice out. What are you doing? All right, we're pretty much all packed up in the van. These are the things I need to get done in town. First, I need to stop at a coffee shop. Then I need to swing by my friend's house and pick up my coffee. Then I will head somewhere to fill up my water. And then I will end at the grocery store and pick up all the groceries we need for the week. Akila, we have a lot to do in the next like 2 hours.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty.
This upload is taking forever. I'm finally done in there. Oh my gosh. I wanted to be in there for like an hour and it took me like 3. All right, next. Gotta pick up my coffee.
Go. I'll be right back.
And now, there's something in the air.
Yes.
And a spark.
So I just pulled up to a little park. So I'm gonna top off I like to top off all of my stuff with water so that I have everything filled in here. And I'm basically at the end of my 2 blueies. So this is perfect timing, Akila. Okay, Akila. Your breast stinks. Now, we need to go grocery shopping. We don't need eggs. I'll be right back. I got cookies. Yay, done grocery shopping. Should we go for a hike? Look, I know. Whoa, look at that thread. If you guys watched my hike with my brother through Pariah Canyon, you know that I messed up my ankle pretty good. It's been about 2 weeks, and this is the first like short hike that I'm gonna try on it, and I really hope I can walk tomorrow. Also forgot to throw away some of my trash. And there is a garbage head at there's a garbage head. That's funny. And there's a garbage can at the trailhead. So I'm gonna take care of that now too. Wow, so much getting done on this lovely morning. Come on.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun.
So Akila and I have hiked this trail before, and we usually stop at the end of this trail and kind of veer off of it because there's this little oasis. She's really ready to get there. We're almost there. This is my favorite little spot on this hike.
And now my memory slowly coming back. Cracks a smile upon my face, then it all turns black. Something about tonight, now's gonna be your last.
Needless to say, you just got me so wet. She's gonna be so smelly. All right, time to go home. Load up. That was a nice little hike, huh? I get a lot of questions along the lines of, how do you make sure that Akila's clean before she goes back into the van? And the very simple, straightforward answer to that is that I don't. It is not worth my time and energy to make sure that she's clean before she comes into the van. So we just deal with it. There's a place that I want to return to tonight, and I haven't been there in years. So I'm excited to take you along.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind.
Are you ready for these views?
For something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind.
You can barely comprehend how far away that is. Akila, back up. Down. Touch. Eyes. Okay.
Matters to you, but what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together.
Well, we're kind of settled in here. I would love to wake up early and watch the sunrise. So, what the hell is happening over there? Do you see what I see? Alright, right there. There's a person with like a white. For sure taking photos. There's a photo shoot happening over there. It would be smart to go to bed at a decent time, which means I should probably make dinner right now. Also, just a quick note. What I'm making tonight isn't what I would usually make every night. This last week I was pretty low on groceries, so I ate a lot of like ramen noodles and bagels. So I'm pretty excited that I went grocery shopping and I picked up stuff for one of my favorite meals, and I'll teach you how to make it. It is pan-seared chicken with lemon garlic cream sauce. Welcome to Linnea's cooking show on top of the mesa. Wow, Akila, you're beautiful. Look at you. Alright, first you get out your ancient Coleman stove. Alright, here's what you need for this delicious recipe. Well, chicken or any meat alternative. You need heavy whipping cream, shallots, garlic, salt, pepper or garlic salt, pasta of your choice. You need red pepper flakes. Oh, I forgot the basil. Oh, that's what I went back for. Oh, it is so good with fresh basil. If you guys are making this at home, use fresh basil. Oh, I can't believe I forgot it. Oh, the disappointment. I'm pretty sure I have basil though. I'm gonna look. Linnea. It's fine. I have basil. It's not a big deal. I think that's it. Let's get cooking. The thing I love most about this is that you only need one pan and then something to cook your noodles in. Alright, I'm gonna start with pan-searing the chicken / meat alternative. So I just make sure I do lots of salt and pepper on the chicken. I like thin fillets, and I pan-sear it in oil and butter. Because why not? I cannot find my shallots absolutely anywhere. How do I lose stuff like this? I wish I could say this only happens with shallots. I think I know where they are. They're right here! I had just convinced myself that I forgot one of my bags of groceries in the cart when I put it away. And then right there, I was looking out and saw my fruit basket and realized, of course I put it in my fruit basket. Found him. Oh my gosh. And now that we have these, all right, now you're gonna deglaze your pan with some of that vegetable or chicken broth. Throw in your shallots and your garlic and let those kind of cook down. Once my garlic and shallots were sauteed, I added the heavy cream. And if you need it a little thinner, just add a little bit more broth in there. And this will cook down to be a thicker sauce. Now I'm going to add red pepper flakes, lemon, and my mushrooms. All right, this has been simmering for a little while, so I am going to add the basil and your choice of meat. Usually when you pan fry chicken, the outside gets really nice and done well, but the inside is still raw. So you just want to put it back in and everything will simmer together. The sauce will thicken a little bit more and all of those flavors will really get yummy. So now I'm just gonna serve it up. Don't forget to garnish. It looks a lot better on a plate, but this is the saucy deliciousness. I would say most nights around this time I am working, but I worked my butt off yesterday and this morning to get a lot done so that I could have an evening to really just relax. So it looks like maybe we'll play a little bit and then I am gonna read my book. You gotta come right back. Ooh, nice catch. Good job. Thank you. Oh, shoot. That's amazing.
I put this here so you can lay down next to me.
The wind is picking up, but I just had to show you that Akila already went to bed. Well, it was really starting to get windy out there. And this is one of my favorite experiences in the van. It's not quite like being in a tent during a storm, but it's similar in the way that you know that there's like weather and stuff happening outside, but inside it's just your cozy little space. I just love that. Since I'm taking the night off of work, I am going to crawl into bed early, put on my little headboard lights, snuggle in with Akila, and read my book.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet.
Good morning.
I've got it right.
It was really windy last night. Like, the van was just kind of shaking. But we felt very nice and cozy and safe in here, didn't we? Especially under the covers, huh? Well, we are going to do our morning thing, which means coffee for me and food for her. Oh, ho, 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 ho. She heard me say the F word. You heard me say the F word. So Akila wants to go for a walk. Even though she has free reign to explore, she still wants me to walk with her in the mornings. That's what you're hearing in the background. We'll go walk around. Can I finish talking to them quick? Well, everybody, coffee is made. I have the view of my dreams, and I'm gonna go for a walk with Akila.
I hope you enjoyed watching what a day in my life looks like. And just remember, they don't always look like this. Sometimes I'm in the van for hours doing work, or I'm in places that are not nearly as beautiful. Sometimes I'm in parking lots, and sometimes I'm scared, and sometimes it's cold, and sometimes it's hot. With that being said, I'm going to say goodbye. I appreciate you guys a lot. Please like this if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing. It really helps us out. And Akila and I will see you next week. Just have to show you quick. This is style. Okay, that's all.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was...
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.